12 benefits of cinnamon you should know. Fun fact, cinnamon, one of the oldest spices in the world, was once so valuable that it was considered a gift fit for kings. Known for its sweet and spicy aroma, cinnamon is a staple in desserts, beverages, and savory dishes. But beyond its culinary charm, this spice is packed with powerful health benefits that make it a superfood. Here are 12 incredible benefits of cinnamon you need to know. Number 1. Rich in antioxidants. Cinnamon is loaded with polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that protect your body from oxidative stress. These antioxidants help fight free radicals, reduce inflammation, and slow the aging process, keeping your body healthy and youthful. Number 2. Helps manage blood sugar levels. Cinnamon is renowned for its ability to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. It slows the breakdown of carbohydrates in the digestive tract, helping to prevent blood sugar spikes. This makes it a natural ally for those managing diabetes. Number 3. Boosts heart health. Cinnamon has been shown to lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and triglycerides while maintaining good cholesterol, HDL. Its anti-inflammatory properties also improve circulation and support overall cardiovascular health, reducing the risk of heart disease. Number 4. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to many health problems, from arthritis to heart disease. Cinnamon's anti-inflammatory compounds, like cinnamaldehyde, help reduce swelling and pain, making it a natural remedy for inflammatory conditions. Number 5. Fights infections. Cinnamon has antimicrobial and antifungal properties, making it effective against infections like candida and bacteria such as E. coli. It can also help treat oral health issues like bad breath and gum disease by fighting harmful bacteria in the mouth. Number 6. Supports brain health. Cinnamon may help protect brain function and prevent neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Compounds in cinnamon inhibit the buildup of tau proteins in the brain, which are linked to these conditions. It also boosts cognitive function and memory. Number 7. Improves digestive health. Cinnamon stimulates the digestive system, helping to reduce bloating, nausea, and indigestion. Its antibacterial properties can also combat stomach infections and promote a healthy gut microbiome, improving overall digestive health. Number 8. Aids in weight loss. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar levels, reducing hunger and cravings. It also boosts metabolism, helping your body burn fat more efficiently. Adding cinnamon to your diet can support healthy weight management when combined with proper nutrition and exercise. Number 9. Eases menstrual discomfort. Cinnamon has been shown to reduce the severity of menstrual cramps and heavy bleeding. Its anti-inflammatory and muscle-relaxing properties make it a natural remedy for menstrual discomfort. A warm cup of cinnamon tea during your cycle can provide soothing relief. Number 10. Enhances skin health. Cinnamon's antibacterial and antioxidant properties make it great for the skin. It can help combat acne, reduce signs of aging, and improve skin elasticity. A cinnamon and honey mask is a popular DIY treatment for clearer, healthier skin. Number 11. Boosts immunity. Cinnamon is a natural immune booster thanks to its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps your body fight off infections, colds, and flu. A sprinkle of cinnamon in your morning tea or coffee can give your immune system a daily boost. Number 12. Promotes oral health. Cinnamon is often used in oral care products for its ability to fight bacteria that cause bad breath and cavities. Chewing on cinnamon sticks or using cinnamon-infused mouthwash can naturally freshen your breath and maintain oral hygiene. Bonus benefit: a versatile culinary ingredient. Cinnamon elevates the flavor of countless dishes, from oatmeal and smoothies to savory curries and roasted vegetables. It's also a key ingredient in holiday treats like spice cider and cinnamon rolls. Not only does it taste amazing, but it also adds a healthful boost to every bite. Thanks for discovering the incredible benefits of cinnamon with us. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who love learning about natural remedies. Do you know any other amazing uses for cinnamon? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear your tips and ideas. And for your next herbal exploration, check out this video on 9 benefits of sage you should know. Until next time, life is better when you garden.